Okay, so we got the kick panel tore apart. It was pretty rusty. All the rubber was gone. So my legs are cold in the wintertime. Got it sanded somewhat down. This is the old metal flap. The outside was completely ground down, so it didn't stop any air. Here's the new one. A little bit different. And this is from Steel Rubber Products. 24 bucks to get it done. Some drill bits to get the old rivets out. Got some Walmart rivets. Gonna spray paint it. Get it put back together, and hopefully my legs won't be cold anymore. Okay, got it assembled, riveted. Had to drill it out for some bigger rivets. The small ones did not like it, but got the big rivets, get it installed. Much better. And here we are with our final product. Not bad.